friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make homemade cough syrup. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 bay leaf, 1 piece of cinnamon stick and 2 cardamom. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Bay leaf is a good source of vitamin A, B6 and C. This aids to digestion and reduces the risk of diabetics. Cinnamon has a lot of medicinal properties. It is loaded with antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood sugar levels and protects against cancer. Cardamom has a lot of antioxidants, contains cancer fighting compounds, protects against chronic diseases, helps in digestion, treats bad breath and prevents cavities. After 2 minutes the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of grated ginger. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn. Let this boil for 2 minutes. Pepper is high in antioxidants, benefits your brain, improves blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol levels and has cancer fighting properties. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger and the pepper has come together very well. Now turn off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the cough syrup and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this cough syrup recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.